Um, First, I would like to respond to one of Brian's uh, claim about the environmental impact. In, in, in a study in 2003 by EPA, there's a landfills of computers monitor TVs and circuit boards, and research shows that less than 1% of the concentrations of lead was found, and E-waste isn't very hazardous to health and environment than we think it would be, but that's only account for proper landfills. Yeah. And now I want to talk about Jake's point about the existing bans in Europe. They have a ban that's called the Basel Convention, and it actually has minimal effect in Europe. The existing Basel Conventions bans the exportation of e-waste, but e-waste are still being exported to areas like Africa. And if Europe cannot control their e-waste exportation, how is it possible for the US to do the same? Both continents create just as much e-waste as each other. And if e-waste exportation will be banned, there's a potential, or there will be a continuation for the black market, and e-waste exportation will still continue. The developing countries will still want the e-waste because the e-waste has viable resources, and even though they know the risk of the environmental impact and human health impact, they would choose for extracting these valuable materials rather than safety.